Welcome everyone, my name is Joelle and today we have a yoga for glutes practice that will only take you 5 minutes to strengthen and tighten that area. So let's begin right away on our backs. You can bring the feet flat, just a little bit wider than the hips. Take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, squeeze the glutes, lift them off of the mat into a bridge pose. And then inhale to set them back down. So exhale, squeeze and lift. Maybe you add on by pulling the arms up overhead. And then set the hips back down and lift yourself up into a tiny little sit-up. And keep going. We'll take 3 more just like this. Squeeze and lift. And then set the hips back down. Last one. And set the hips down, really nice. So release the entire spine back down into the mat, widen the feet a little bit more, turn the toes out so the toes are off the mat. And we'll squeeze the glutes once more, lifting ourselves up, and this time hold here and pulse the hips up an inch, up an inch. Keep going, just little tiny pulses. And let's take 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the hips lifted here. Bring your knees as close together as you possibly can, and then bring the knees as far apart as you can. So keeping the hips lifted, glutes are squeezed, and we're rocking the knees together and apart. So really working into those outer glutes as you pull the knees further apart from each other. Can you bring them closer together? Can you bring them further apart? Let's just take 2 more. And really nice. Set the hips back down. Bring the soles of the feet back towards center. Cross the right ankle over the left knee for a pigeon bridge. So squeeze the left glutes to lift the hips up and set them back down. Just 2 more. Last one. And then lift the hips up, extend that right foot up towards the ceiling, and pulse the hips again. Up an inch, up an inch, up an inch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and lower down. Really nice. Plant the right foot, cross left ankle over right knee. We're being very efficient today as we lift up through the hips, squeezing the right glutes. And just 2 more. And then lift the hips up, extend that left foot up, and pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Set the hips back down, hug the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little rock from side to side. And then we'll roll up. We all meet in hands and knees. Shoulders above wrists, hips above knees. Open that right knee out to the side and then kick that right foot up. So opening it out to the side, working the outer glute and kicking it up. Last time. And then kick it up an inch. So pulsing. Once again, right foot up towards the ceiling. You can keep pulsing as you are, or tuck the left toes, lift yourself into a 3-legged downward dog, straighten through that right leg, and keep kicking, keep pulsing. And let's take 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Replace that right foot. Soften the knees towards the mat. Really nice. We only have 1 more side. So take the time to set yourself up on hands and knees, and we'll swing that left knee out to the side, and then left knee up towards the sky. Just 2 more. Last time out and up, and start those little pulses, little kicks up towards the sky. Keep going right here. Tuck the back toes, lift yourself into that 3-legged downward dog. And continue with those pulses wherever you are for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the foot back down, bring the knees back to the mat, really nice. Last little thing here, bring yourself up to a tall kneel And sit yourself over to the right side of your feet, and then lifting up and over to the left side. Just 2 more on each side. You can use the hands if you need to. And last time, over to the right and over to the left. And really nice. Catch your breath if you need to. Beautifully done. Thank you for joining me. If you would like to get a little bit of a well-deserved glute stretch after that, I will leave a link to a 6-minute practice that you can click on right here. And in any case, please do subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again very soon.